Hello y'all, welcome to another cleaning video. My name is Lauren. Today we are doing a nighttime clean with me, a quick whole house reset. So let's just jump right in. Today I'm starting in my kids' room. I had done a bunch of their laundry today. I washed every single thing they have. It took me like 2 or 3 loads to get all their clothes and blankets done, but I got it done and now it's just time to put everything away. So I'm sorting through everything between my baby and my toddler and kind of putting those things in their designated drawers. I don't really bother folding anything because it just gets messed up like immediately because me or my husband is going to dig through trying to find a specific outfit or something. So I just don't even bother. I just put all the baby stuff in one drawer. I put the toddler's pajamas in another drawer and then his normal clothes in the next 2 drawers. And that is it. I just have a simple dresser from IKEA. I can link it down below if you guys are interested in it. And then I fold up the toddler blankets and put those in a nice little cubby in the closet. And that is the laundry taken care of. I'm also going to switch out the bed sheets on both the kids' beds. My kids currently share a room because they're just 3 and 11 months old. It's really fine. They don't really disturb each other when they're sleeping. My toddler sleeps like a rock. So for now, it's fine. They're just sharing a room and they're currently loving it. After putting away those blankets, I'm just going to take a quick second to wipe down the dresser and the changing station with some Clorox wipes. It had kind of been a long day and I hadn't done any cleaning throughout the day, and there's also these splatters, I'm guessing from my dogs coming in here and shaking after being outside on a rainy day, so I'm just going to wipe those off quickly. That's why I kind of have this do it as you see it policy, because it just helps stuff like that from building up. Unfortunately, the diapers did build up though. Like I was saying, it's kind of been a day and there was like a pile of dirty diapers waiting for me, and I'm obviously not going to leave those overnight. One afternoon is long enough. It was pretty disgusting, so I got those all thrown away and then I Clorox wiped the whole changing station, and now I am just moving on to vacuuming in here. If this was like the morning time when I normally clean my kids' room, I would spray some nice little air freshener around, like a baby powder scent, but I'm not going to do that because this is a nighttime clean with me. This is right before the baby was going to bed, and I don't really want to deal with that. And I don't have any nighttime sprays. I used to have the Dr. Teal's Kids or like the baby lavender and chamomile nighttime spray, but I ran out and it is what it is. So after I'm done vacuuming in there, I'm moving on to my bedroom and bathroom, the master bedroom and bathroom. And luckily for me, I was showing you guys the bathroom. I had done the bathroom this morning since I am in the habit of kind of cleaning as I go most of the time. So the bathroom was all taken care of, thank goodness. I also washed our bed sheets this morning, so those are washed and dried and I just have to put those on. I closed the window and I'm just going to vacuum in here. It's a super quick pickup in most of these rooms. No like super deep cleaning or anything like that. I'm just doing a nice solid house reset, and I'm so glad I got through all of my kids' laundry and bed sheets and stuff so I can have bed sheets on our bed, fresh bed sheets, and fresh bed sheets on their bed, fresh blankets, fresh everything. It feels so good to get those things done. After making the bed, I'm just going to vacuum in here as well. Give that carpet a nice thorough go over. I go over everything twice usually, just to make sure there's no crumbs, dog hair, dirt, anything like that trapped inside. And that is the master bedroom all freshened up as well. We are moving right along to the kitchen. This was honestly, it kind of looks like a lot of dishes, but it really wasn't that bad. And on top of that, lucky me, my husband decided that he really wanted to eat out. I was actually planning on making dinner tonight, but he actually called me on his way home from work and said he wanted to pick up Mexican food, which is the perfect time to catch up on dishes. I know that when you eat out, you don't feel like cleaning your kitchen because that's something you do after you cook. But I'm telling you, if you eat out and you don't have any extra dishes, you can normally get like every single dish done and there's nothing left at the end of the day. And that is such a good feeling. It is like such a reasonable amount of dishes. So I'm just going to load up the dishwasher, hand wash a couple of little things that have to be hand washed, and that will be the dishes totally dealt with. And if you all have watched a lot of my videos in the past, you know that I usually will stuff my dishwasher 100%, like so full, and I will have like 10 to 15, 20 dishes still left to wash after. And today I had like 4, which is such a good feeling for me. I had like a bowl, a pan, a couple of water bottles that my husband uses for work, and some knives. It was amazing. So if you need some motivation to get those dishes done, especially if you ate out tonight and you really don't feel like cleaning anything because you're just having one of those days, trust me, like I said, I was having one of those days. There's honestly nothing I would have wanted more than to just sit and do nothing and watch scary movies since it's October and eat my Mexican takeout and do nothing. But I wanted to get caught up on everything so that tomorrow isn't one of those days as well. I wanted everything to be taken care of so I could start over with a fresh start. So if you are having a day like that, this is your sign to get up, get everything refreshed. It doesn't have to be a deep clean. I'm not doing any sort of deep clean. I am taking 10 to 15 minutes in each room and doing a reset. And I am sure that you can get a lot done. Even if you just take about 30 minutes and get done what you can, you will be thanking yourself after, and you will definitely be thanking yourself tomorrow when you don't have to do that stuff and you can wake up to a fresh, clean space and a fresh new day, and you won't have another one of those days in a row. is, I'm definitely going to be scrubbing out this sink super, super quick, just a little bit of Dawn dish soap. And actually, I don't know if y'all could really tell in the video, but I am one of those people who kind of like gets the huge bottle of Dawn, and I will just refill the small size because I don't like obviously using like the huge one every single time. It just is like such a hassle and a pain. But as you can see, my really big bottle was running low, and instead of just throwing away the small amount of soap that clings to the sides, I just fill it with water. And so you can basically clean with that and get like the last remaining soap out. It looks a little funny, but at least you get to use up that last bit of soap and don't completely waste it. So that is what I'm using here. And I'm just, you could just easily spray down the sink and your sponge and just give that a really good wash down. And then I am rinsing this all down with super, super hot water and running my garbage disposal, making sure there's absolutely no leftover food down in the sink that's going to rot and start to smell. And then of course spraying down the entire sink with half water, half vinegar, and getting that a really good wipe down, getting all those soap splatters and water splatters, and getting off all of the like hard scale or water droplets that would leave a little watermark. It shines up the stainless steel really, really nicely, and it deodorizes, which is a total plus. Last but certainly not least, in the kitchen, I'm just going to finish clearing off the countertops and giving them a very good wipe down with the Miss Meyer's multi-surface cleaning spray. Lucky for me, I did not have to scrub my stovetop down today because I did it yesterday and I didn't really cook on it today, and I definitely didn't have to cook dinner since we got takeout. So I just give that a quick little wipe down with the same Miss Meyer's multi-surface cleaning spray because I probably did cook like, some scrambled eggs or something for the toddler this morning. Whatever, nothing serious that needs to get scrubbed down with the Dawn dish soap or the barkeeper's friend or anything like that. Just giving everything a nice quick wipe down and making sure there's no crumbs and little, stains. Not really stains, but you know what I'm saying. If you make bottles too, I'm still making the baby bottles, and you know that milk leaves like milk rings everywhere. Just making sure that's all taken care of, and I have a nice clean surface starting tomorrow. And of course the Miss Meyer stuff just smells absolutely incredible, so you gotta love that too. That is the kitchen, all fresh and glistening. That is an absolute beautiful thing to wake up to in the morning. Like I said, you will be thanking yourself if you pick up right now. I'm moving on to the living room, and this is about the biggest mess that I have to pick up in here on any given day since we kind of did our mini makeover in the playroom and made it even more fun to be down there. We've been spending even more time than usual. So this is just a little bit of mess that my baby makes in the morning because he wakes up so early. So I just give him a bottle and then we wait for the toddler to wake up, and it takes about 30 minutes to an hour for him to wake up and for all of us to have breakfast together, basically. So in that time, that is the only mess that happens up here, and it is so lovely. Then I'm just wiping down the coffee and TV stand with that Miss Meyer's multi-surface cleaning spray and spraying around some air freshener in here. You guys know in my nighttime cleans, I do skip the vacuum because I just don't want to deal with that at the end of the day. I'm tired. I don't want that loud noise going on, so that is the living room completely done. I said I spent about 10 to 15 minutes in each room, but in the living room and dining room, I probably spent 5 or less. That is how easy it is to make a huge difference. I mean, you saw how easy it was to pick up the living room. And like I said, it's just a great thing to wake up to, everything already being picked up and fresh and ready to go. And I'm pretty much doing the same thing in the dining room. Just picked up all of the to-go stuff that we got and threw it away, and then wiped down the table again with the Miss Meyer's multi-surface cleaning spray and just a paper towel since I had ran out of my cleaning rag. That is the dining room done, easy peasy, ready to go. Now we are moving on to the kids' bathroom since now the baby has had his bath, he's in bed, the toddler has had his bath, and he is down in the playroom with dad. And now I am going to just quickly clean up their tub. So I just spray it with the Method Daily Shower Cleaner and give it a scrub down with this Scotch Brite shower scrubber, and then give that a rinse with hot water. And then I'm just clearing off this countertop really quick. My husband gets ready in here in the morning before work so that he doesn't disturb me and wake me up. So I'm just putting away his shaver and stuff that was still out and giving the countertops a wipe down with a Lysol cleaning wipe or disinfecting wipe. And then I love to use body sprays that I don't really use that often as room sprays, and that is also this room, picked up and tidied and cleaned, ready to go for the next day, smelling amazing. So quick and easy, absolutely love it. I told you guys this was a quick cleanup, and now I'm just going to clean my cleaning rags for the next day. I just used OxyClean powder and my regular detergent on the hottest, longest cycle, and then I dry them on the steam sanitized cycle in the dryer, and those are ready to go for the next day. And that is all for this super quick house reset for you guys. If you are still cleaning along with me, I have an entire playlist of cleaning motivation right here on the screen and always linked down below, and I will see you guys in another video very soon. Bye!